Hello, hello, hello. It's Miss Haig back with some literacy today. Ooh, this week we're talking about the E, the sound, and the colors. Today we're going to talk about the color yellow. Yellow. Do you see the E in yellow? Let me know when you do. Yellow. Did you spot it? It's the second one in. It's a lowercase e. Yellow has the sound in it. Yellow. So that was a really fun story about the pencil. And I loved the part where he said he was drawing wildly and joyfully. He was just doing his thing. So you're going to get a piece of paper with the word yellow. And at the bottom, there are some adjectives. We've been talking about adjectives and descriptive words. It says wildly and joyfully. Can you take your pencil? Mine doesn't look like the one in the story, but you might have a yellow pencil there. And can you start drawing wildly and joyfully, however you'd like to draw? And there's no wrong answer. Just start drawing wildly and joyfully. Beautiful. I'm going to show you what I've been doing. See? Isn't that fun? And we're going to have fun creating wild and joyful pictures with our pencils. Have fun. See you soon.